You clicked on this video because you want to really know how you can get your YouTube start running, like getting a lot of views, or maybe you are about to start up a new channel and you don't know what to do. Okay, this video is for you. This video is really for you, and I'm promising you, if you pay attention, because I am not going to cut and give you fancy designs and stuff like that. I'm going straight to the point. I'm talking straight to the point. Okay, now let's say you are starting a new channel. You've never started a new channel before. You've pressed upload. You've pressed created of an account. You've created your account. You've created your channel. You have a channel name, and that is the first thing you're gonna have, a channel name, right? That is the first thing. Okay, guys, now there are things you need to set. There are things you need to know first before you start uploading. Now, one of them is the channel tag. Now, these are my channel tag: Crash Adrian Lifestyle, Crash Adrian, Stoke Twins, Pearson, AMP, Unspeakable, Aisha Speed, Mr. Biz, Kai Cine, Jordan Masters, because this video is all about entertainment, right? It's all about entertainment. So most of the people that watch all these people right here, they tend to understand this kind of content. That is why I picked this tag for it, and it's really working. Okay, now you might be questioning yourself, how can I know tag for my niche, right? How can I know tag for my niche? That's why you need what I call vidIQ extension. Okay, if you're using PC, this is gonna be a jackpot for you. Really big jackpot. Install Chrome extension. I already installed it on my Chrome extension. That's why I'm not gonna install it again. It's very, very easy, but trust me, this is gonna help you a ton. Now, how is this gonna help me? Now, this is gonna help you like this. You don't know your channel tag. You don't know what channel tag to use. You don't just want to go ask some robot to tell you channel tag. You just want to be sure which channel tags works better. Which channel tags works better. Okay. Now, this is what you should do. Let's say I'm interested. I want to go random in any video out there right now. Let's say I'm interested in like let's say I just want to pick something random. Let's go this one. Let's go this guy here. So this channels, right? This channel talks about what will walk with the giant lion snow dins. Wow, I can't pronounce. These are the channel tags. Do you see what the channel tag is related? Animals, nature, wildlife, vlog, compilation. This is trying to tell YouTube that my channel is all about that. Okay, my channel is all about wild animals, or vlog, or lion, or African animals, or monkey, or anywhere they search monkey, please show my channel, please. This is what it is. Channel tags, not video tag, is different. Video tags are different, channel tags are different, but this channel tag is really, really important for your whole channel. That's why it's called channel tag, not video tag. It's channel general. Many people don't know. They put a lot of dog shit inside here and expect it to work. Make sure you put something good. So while, if you, let's say I'm to see this channel tag now and you want to take everything inside, what you need to do is simply copy it. Now you go to ChatGPT. Okay, it's already open. You go to ChatGPT and type you paste it, you type make this to be in a copy and paste format. Okay, you make this to be in a copy and paste format. You paste it down here. It's gonna give you this right here, and make sure there is all commas, because if there is no commas in them, it's not gonna work, guys. There should be commas. Okay, once you copy that, you come over to your channel. I'm not gonna remove mine, but I'm gonna show you. It's going to be empty here. You just Ctrl V, paste. It's gonna be here, and you save. Okay, I am not gonna save that because it's not my channel tag. Okay, so that's pretty much it on the channel tags. Okay, and now you go to settings. Sorry, you go to customization, not settings. You go to customization. Have a very good banner. Have a profile picture. Have your name and have your handle. Make sure your handle is really good so it's not stolen. And you put your description, guys. You put your description right here. It's very important because the first thing some people see when they come to your channel is your description. Hope you guys enjoy my videos every week. Make sure you subscribe and share. Business contact, this email. You can follow me on all social media with the same name. Okay, now you have your channel URL, and also if you have related TikTok, Facebook, Discord, Instagram, you can as well put them here. They're gonna show on your feed also. Okay, they're gonna show for your audience. And you can also add a video watermark and the email so that if someone is watching your video, they can always see the watermark at the right bottom here. Please set this. Many people overlook this, and sometimes they put things that they shouldn't put there. Okay, please do it. We are done with this profile. Let's go to home tab. When you are uploading, or if you have been uploading, you might have a lot of content by now. Your home tag is gonna help you push your video. Well, which video do you want your audience to see? Do you want them to be seeing your live stream first, or do you want them to see a content first? Use that content to make it a trailer for people that hasn't subscribed. Like anyone that hasn't subscribed, pop it in your channel now will first of all and see this video on their screen just like this. I'm gonna show you what I mean. They're gonna see your video on your screen just like this right here. You see this? Now, this is the trailer, this is the video, this is the short, this is the created playlist I made, this is for you, this is the past live stream. Everything will be arranged here. You can move around the one you want, you know, your choice, personal preference, but do this very well. You can add, you know, you can play around with this, but make it your choice. But you can copy me and do it like this. This is what I found for me that worked best. Okay, now we are done with the customization, we are done with the profile, we've done with the channel tag. Let's go in depth in content. Let's go in depth inside content. Let's say you have to post an actual content. Let's go inside this video right now. So you start with a good title, right? Down to your description. I'm gonna explain this part in another video. This part, guys, in another video. This is a whole new world, I'm telling you. Okay, so you have your title, you have your description, but you might not have your thumbnail. These are AI thumbnail builder. Like this is what the vidIQ you installed earlier is telling you to try, or telling me to try, but I pretty much have something better than what they show me right here. Okay, this is what I have, and it was easy to do. I'm gonna tell you this software which I use in doing it, but I will not explain exactly how to do it in this video because it will be so long. So I'm gonna keep that for another video. Okay, so your tags while uploading, before you upload, you schedule your videos. Right? But before you schedule your videos, make sure you have added all the description and hashtag. Don't flood your hashtag with a lot of hashtag. That is like a bot. Just do some couple of 3, 4, 5 hashtags is enough. So you add some description. If you want to add some links to your other channels, you can also add. You put your thumbnail, and now make sure your audience says no, it's not made for kids. Your age restriction to say no, don't restrict my video. And now you're not doing a paid promotion, so you don't need this. And altered content, do any of your following describe your content? No. Make a real person appear to say or do something they didn't say or do, or alter footage of a real event or place. No, unless you are doing fake video, okay, which I don't advise you to do. Allow automatic chapter, which sometimes doesn't really work. Allow automatic places, allow automatic concept. Okay, tick those boxes. You add your tags. You might not know how to get tags. That's why again you have ChatGPT. Okay, give me video tag on how to grow my YouTube channel title. Okay, You don't have to X anybody. It's right here. Okay. So now it gives you tags, good tag. You just copy it. You just copy it one click and you go over to your tag right here and like paste it. It's inside here, but I don't need this unless it's not exceed 500. Okay, let it not exceed 500. That's another thing I forgot to say. It should be at least 500 words. Okay, so that's this. Undo changes. That's for that. And now your language and caption certificate is English for sure, and blah blah blah, and back to categories. Okay, this depends on what your content is about. Your content is about gaming, comedy, education, vehicles, film, animation, gaming, how to and style, music, news and politics, non-profit and activism, people and blog, pets and animals, science and blah 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 blah. Please put this, because if you don't put this, it's confusing too to the algorithm, because it's trying to understand what your video is about. And guys, one of the secrets why I told you to make sure you listen to this video is because I am not reading anything. I am just telling you everything straight. So sometimes some things I say comes, sometimes it doesn't come. Sometimes I remember, sometimes I don't remember. Okay, now I remember. Guys, make sure that you do all this thing. Make sure you do every single thing that I'm telling you to do. Make sure you do every single one of them, because if you don't put your category, bro, I don't know what you are doing. So that being said, these are only for beginners. Okay, these are beginners that is starting YouTube. Let's go over to the thumbnail. Okay, now how can I make my thumbnail? How can I make thumbnail for my video? I don't know how to edit. I don't have software to edit. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Bro, you don't need to do too much. Okay, chill. You don't need to do too much. You just need ideogram. Okay, this is the one software that will help you make tons and tons of thumbnail, and the way you do this is by using it. Pretty much. So I'm gonna make a whole new video on how to make this thumbnail, show you how to edit it with Photoshop very well. You know, if you don't have Photoshop, do not worry, I can get you a Photoshop to use if you have a PC only. Okay, I am gonna leave a private link that will get you to download Photoshop. Okay, so but if you don't want to use Photoshop, it's your choice. Okay, it's your choice. So this will help you. So now you might not know what to do exactly as you came here. This is easy. Describe what you want to see. That leads us back to ChatGPT. Okay, I made a thumbnail idea earlier. Okay, now I want to make a thumbnail idea for this that I'm gonna use for this particular video that I'm talking to you right now. So I come to ChatGPT, write a prompt for me to generate a good eye-catching thumbnail that can hook viewers to click on this title. About on this title, full stop, you get space, you put the title, and there you go. Now what ChatGPT will do is give you a thumbnail prompt, which I just got here. So you copy everything. Make sure you copy everything right from that corner at the top. And let's go back to ideogram. Now make sure your magic prompt is turned on. Aspect ratio is 16:9 if you are doing for long form. If you are doing for short form, you can use the 9:16. It's gonna probably be at public, I think, or private. Public, yeah. Then 2.0 and auto and generate. Okay, now we just have to wait a couple of seconds. It's not gonna take time. Okay, so while it's been loading, you need to brainstorm. Okay, you need to brainstorm. You need to go and check other people. You need to go and check other people. What channel, what how their thumbnail is. So look at this right here. This is what I'm making this video about, right? These are the thumbnail idea that I'm seeing. Okay, these are all of them. These are all the thumbnail ideas I'm seeing. You see how very simple most of them are. No really much hard work and stuff like that. But if you don't really do your video well, like this video right, this thumbnail right here, look at this. It's not really clear, right? It's not clear. This guy literally puts your visibility. There's no point of you putting that there. I don't know for him though. But this you see now this is more clear. This is gonna click more than this. Okay, so while it's being loading 4%, it's gonna take a couple of time because it's the free version. Like I told you, there is free version. Sometimes you get limited. I think you can only generate 10 video 10 pictures a day or a week, I don't know. So you have to use it wisely. Okay, now let's see what we get. Okay, we got start your YouTube view first. We got this one, we got this one, we got this one. Okay, we got this one. So we got most of them. You might not really like this one. You can always come back and auto general, realistic, and change most of them. But as for me, I will use this one right here because it looks eye-catching, right? Because that's what they want to see. So you see, downloading is free. Downloading is free. So once you're done with that, you can just come over to your channel right here, change the thumbnail and put it. You see, easy guys, easy. That's how easy it is to make a thumbnail. Did you see me edit anything? I did not edit anything. Okay, that's how I make thumbnail, and that's how most YouTubers make thumbnail also. But now you might be asking me, okay, how did I do my face? That's where the Photoshop comes in. I'm gonna explain that in another video. I'm gonna explain from afresh how to really do it, how to put your face, make it look realistic, you know, how to do it very well if you're trying to do a realistic thumbnail like mine. Okay, that is it. So guys, tell me where you are now. Tell me what you understand. Tell me what you don't understand. I'm ready right now to answer every single question that comes in the comment section only. Okay, I'm ready to answer and explain to you everything you need to know. So guys, everything I said about this setup, please do them because you're gonna see change, bro. I'm talking a lot. I don't know how I'm gonna connect with you guys if you don't do them. You need to do them if you want to see change. Okay, so you guys don't forget, comment your channel name right now on the description. Once I say it, I'm gonna go look at your channel and see what you are doing wrong, and then I'm gonna give you feedback on my next on a live stream. Maybe I'm gonna do a live stream, I don't know, because I can't keep up with the next video thing. Okay, maybe I'm gonna do a that live stream for everybody. So you guys should do this first. Okay, and if you are done with this step, you can leave a comment and tell me you're done, and I'm gonna see you with the next video.